everybody, my name is Thomas and welcome back to Thomas's Tutoring. In the previous video we did Algebra in the intermediate level and today we'll be doing Algebra in the advanced level. Make sure to hit the like button down below and while you're at it, subscribe. If you haven't already, it only takes 2 seconds, it's completely free and it helps me to make my videos better and produce more of them. So without further ado, let's get cracking. So in our first exercise, we're going to need to solve for G. If 15G is equal to 21G minus 114, you'll have 15 seconds to solve this out on your own. Okay, then you've had well over 15 seconds. Basically, we can tell that 114 is 6G. 114 divided by 6, 19. G is 19. For our second exercise, we need to figure out how much 25 pencils, 5 pens, and 15 rubbers are if there is a discount of 20% on all stationery items. You'll have 25 seconds for that. Okay, then that's your 25 seconds up, nearly on the dot. Basically, I think we can all agree that if you want to find something that has a discount of 20%, it's the same as multiplying by 0.8. And 25 times 0.8, 5 times 0.8, 15 times 0.8 are the sums or multiplications that we need to do. If we do that, we get 24 and 12. Yeah, that's our answer, right? No, because we need to add X, P and R on the end of 24 and 12 in their respective orders. But in our third problem, we have a grid to solve for. You'll have 2 minutes because this is a very tricky problem. Problem. Hopefully this will give you a bit more of a hint. Okay, then that's your 2 minutes up. If you haven't solved it out yet, and you want to solve it out with me, then continue watching. Or you can pause the video if you want to solve it out on your own, and then go over it with me. So this question is a bit harder to explain, but you need to solve for this weird... I can't find my mouse now, but it's the weird U shape in the top left corner, top right corner. Yeah, if you solve for that, you'll find that that is 12. And knowing that that is 12, you can solve for the foreign symbol. And knowing that, you'll be able to find the line with the two equals, which is equal to 16, and finally the double bar line for 14. It's a bit of a tricky problem, very hard. For our penultimate problem, we need to solve for j, and you'll have 30 seconds to solve this one out. Okay then, that's 35 seconds up. So basically, if we remove 2x from both sides, we're left with 0 is equal to j. A bit of a trick question there, but you just need to get thinking a bit. And for our fifth and final problem, we need to combine like terms. This is the harder version of exercise 5 from our previous video. You'll have 1.5 minutes to do this. Over halfway. Again, if you don't think you'll make it all in time, it is a tricky problem. But basically, you should have been able to solve it by now in a minute. If you haven't, though, you've still got a good 20 seconds. Seconds left. Okay then, that's 1.5 minutes up. Once again, combining like terms, key. And if you do this correctly, you should end up with 7a to the power of 5b to the power of 5x to the power of 8y to the power of 26z to the power of 5. An odd number, nonetheless. But nonetheless, a question that might pop up in the 11 plus. And that's all I've prepared for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more of this type of content. I think I'll be starting up sequences next. Sequences mainly for verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. You know, get back to those. But until the next video, have a nice day. My name is Thomas. Goodbye.